So I'm about to drop off this package to Dub. You know what I'm saying? He over there about to drop off this package to him. We're here at Morehouse College. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? What's up, baby? What's up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, look. He looking fresh right now.
Man.
You know what I mean? I ain't, you know.
It's a journey.
See how he just kind of, how he just put his arm around me just to show how tall he is. This to show how big in life, but he is. Yeah, he bigger than life. So
Hey,
that's a fact.
Listen to this
that's
man
a fact,
right
man.
Here, He's supporting black-owned businesses.
Absolutely,
out here, man.
appreciate that, bro.
Yeah, transformation. We going up.
And he was in the gym today.
Oh yeah. What's up, boy? What's up? You straight? Go on.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Inspiration right here.
Man,
you know what I'm saying?
Man.
Health is
love.
Love is wealth.
Well, here you go, bro.
My guy.
Here you go.
Appreciate it, man. Got everything. That's what I needed. Hold on.
Man, your beard is coming in nice though, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, like it's got
this
thicker.
side got to catch up right here.
Yeah, but how often you doing the derm roller?
Like twice a week.
Okay, good.
One to two times a week.
Yeah. You don't want to do anything.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm trying to keep it longer hair, lower, but my barber keep pushing it up.
You good right there.
It's good right here?
Yeah, you good. But nah, bro, from the last time I seen you, yeah, bro, it's growing in a lot thicker. I can see your hairs right here developing there, coming in. Right in there. Yep.
It's a humbling experience.
Nah,
man.
bro, real talk.
It is.
But you already know I always love the style that you always rock. You know, that's love, bro.
We out here. Hold on.
Oh,
the man, the myth, you know what I'm saying?
Talk about it, you know, talking about me, my man Dub just dropped off in my pockets, you know, I'm talking about for his beard, get it right, you know what I'm saying? 2019, believe it. Yeah.
I like who sauced you up on the clip,
oh,
bro.
man, my barber did me Showcase, her name's Showcase. Yep, she's over off of Memorial Avenue.
Okay.
East Atlanta.
East side, okay.
You know?
Okay.
Like that. Where your barber at?
My barber actually a female too. She in the West End.
Okay, so she right around the corner.
Right
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. So how often you get your cut?
Haircuts? I try to go every 2 weeks.
Every 2?
Every 6. I don't like to play with my line too much.
Yeah.
Unless I got something with a beat. You know
right.
You gotta get it in. You know what I'm saying?
No doubt. It's looking good though, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Hey, I was going to ask you about the lemon remedy because I want to start doing.
Yeah.
I don't got a bottle to put it in though.
You don't got nothing to put it in?
Nah. I was gonna ask you, kind of like just like squeeze it, kind of like. Just,
no, because you gotta mix it with water.
Oh yeah,
you got to. Yeah. Don't use it without mixing it with water, or you gonna be like, yo, B, my joint looking like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? My joint over here falling off. I'm over here, you know what I mean? Got one side, but no, what you want to do is, man, you can go to the dollar store, get you a spray bottle for like $1, and then put it in the bottle, and you know, and then you don't even necessarily need a spray bottle. Yeah. You can take it off the spray bottle, take the spray and just pour it onto your. Yeah.
So I do that before my nightly routine, or
you will wash. Make sure you wash first, then do it, and then go into your nightly routine. Yep, that's how you want to do that. Yep,
for sure.
Exactly.
All right, makes sense. Appreciate it,
How's
man.
school though for you?
School good, you know. I graduated in May, so it's just big things after that, man. Just trying to stay focused, man. Finish out strong.
You here? Or you gonna be?
I'm trying to stay here.
Okay.
I'm trying to stay here. I'm applying to a few grad schools, so if that don't fall through, I'm definitely gonna be here. But ideally, you know, I love Atlanta. You know, I'm not from here, so especially for what I want to do, this thing is a place to be. So
right.
Yeah.
What's up with your boy?
PJ?
Yeah. Where he at? He in LA?
He actually here. He be using their products still. He does.
Okay. Because I know he said he was going out to LA for the something in sports or something.
Yeah. I think he still has that job lined up. But you know, he only a junior, so he has another year to come back.
Some time.
He got some time. But he's still tapping in.
Okay.
He's still tapping in.
Okay.
That's my guy.
Cool. Tell him I said what's up, man. I see a couple guys over here with some beers, man. What's up, man?
Yeah, you know, Morehouse, they got. Yeah.
We might have to come through. We might have to come through Morehouse and like just set up
a shop one time.
You know what I'm saying? Just to do something and just do some love, show some love, man. We got some stuff in the works, man. So
I'm out here definitely promoting as much as I can too to the people. You know what I'm saying? My homies and everything. So
I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that.
Trying to give them the best of the best.
Yeah. How was your holiday?
It was good, man. I went home for a couple weeks.
Okay.
Spent the New Year with my family. It was good. I'm glad to be back though.
Yeah.
Focus.
No doubt, because you ready to just, you know, to just finish and go to the next, just to go to the next level.
Exactly.
Go to the next stage in your life.
Exactly.
That's really what it's about, man. Stages. Keep going to the next stage, man.
Exactly.
And so you've been doing all this. You prepared yourself to get to that next stage. So proud of you, bro.
It's exciting, man. I appreciate it, man.
Hold on, let me get you on the on the gram. This is Dub, your boy B, Morehouse College graduate right here. You know what I'm saying? Profound young man. You know what I'm saying? So support men, support women, support everybody who's out here want to impact the world in great ways, such as my man Dub. All right, we signing out.
That part.
Talk about it.